afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the first CIC data product online demonstration. And my name is John, and I'm the CIO of CIC. And today I'm going to browse you to go through with you how to use our Data Pro product, as well as how you can subscribe to our services. Firstly, let me briefly introduce CIC. What is CIC to you? CIC, we are a platform, e-trading platform for commodity, and is a JV company between the Zoll Group, Gas, and XJX. What we offer, what our data product services offer, basically it offer you a type of a Google-like search portal. So you can just key in the HS code, and you can find the importer and exporter information from these Google-like search portals. And besides finding the lead, you can also looking at what are the product that is popular to import into a certain country. Then you just in our Google later, I will show you walk you through with this demo, and then you will see how this can benefit for your marketing purpose. Besides a Google Search portal, we also have a customer API. So this is a more advanced features where you can we will provide you an API, and then you will be able to request or access to the information through the backend service call. So this will be a much easier way if you have an internal system or you want to rebrand our data to your own customers. And last but not least, we also provide you a highly custom-made intelligent report. Within this report, we can also, like with various diagrams, to show you the top importer for certain product in certain country, and which city and port they are, and what is the volume they are importing and exporting every month. This is a highly customized made report, but it will give you a very good overview for certain product marketing purposes. So these are the three types of services our platform offers. And our data coverage, for custom data, we cover more than 40 countries, and there is over 1.4 billion of trade records. And the data is actually about 1 month late, no more than 1 month late. Sometimes some database is actually a few days behind. So it's considered quite up to date. And then the coverage, we are probably the most comprehensive database in the market. And besides the custom data, we also offer shipping data. And our shipping data cover about 50 countries. So this is our data coverage. And who will be benefit or who will be using this data? Of course, firstly, will be the manufacturers. Those manufacturers who want to know where who want to know buying their product, and this will be the right venue for them to search for the lead. Of course, besides the manufacturer, importer, exporter, the trading houses, they want to find out. They want to generate more leads. They want to find out how is the cargo status. All this information you will be able to access through our database. Wholesaler as well as the finance. Oh, interestingly, we also have a customer from the financial institute. The reason, the use case they use basically is that they can do a KYC on the customer, see whether this customer really have a physical transactions. So these are the use case in the financial institute. And logistic provider, they can find out which are the popular trade route, and then what will be the volume like. This could be better. This can be useful for their kind of a forecast on their shipping lines data. So today I'm going through with you 3 major items. First is the how to just give you a taste of how the import data and export data is actually sit inside our database. So we will show you how to search for importer and exporter. We will be showing you how to search for trading and shipping data, as well as customer information. And second part, I will show you how to do a registration, how to register account with us. And last but not least, we also show you how to make a payment to us. Without further delay, let me bring you through the system. So now you are actually, can you see the screen? Okay, here you go. So here, this is our, once you log into the system, you will be able to see this, this web page. And in this side, we have a customer data, China. This will be a more advanced usage. So you will need to subscribe to our China custom data. Then you can see the information inside. The next step, the buyer search. This is the page where you see here. After you're searching product, let's say you are looking for the LED light, and once you click the search, you'll be able to, the system will return you the list of company that was. There is showing the list of the customer that was importing the tools into their countries, and what we're providing you, like what are they trading, and then what are they actually, and these are the list of country that our database have informations. As you can see, there was a lot of information coming from the US custom. In China, the largest importer of LED light will be Vietnam. And you click the Vietnam country, then you will be able to see who are the importers in Vietnam that was importing the LED light. And once you click inside, we can provide you who are the contact person, what is the email, and their contact numbers. So these are the tools that we can help the user of this our Data Pro to quickly find the potential leads for their own products. And besides the product, to be more precise to search, we also provide you to key. We have these tools for you to key the HS code. So this will help you to nail down to the exact product what you are looking for to import and export. Besides this page, the third tab is actually showing the global trade data. So this one will show you which are the country. So for instance, when you click India, and from here, you will be able to key in the HS code, and you will be able to specify what are the importer or which are the port that you want to import the things. So once you click search, maybe we just remove this, and you will see the list of port that was importing or exporting in India for this item HS code 39002, and you will be able to export the data by clicking this tab. Because these are the sample data that was being exported out. And you can see we provide you the HS code, product description, import, exporter, country origin. This is a basically is a database dump of all the information we have in the database. But bear with us, because of the limit on the data, so we will be limited to only 500 record export every day. So through this tab, you will be able to search for whatever product that you are interested, and from which part, where is the country of origin, and then you can search and you will find who are the importers. Okay, last but not least, this one will be able to help you to search. The advanced search is a robust tool for you to just key in and just to search everything. So for example, if I'm still looking for a lipstick, let's say I'm looking for lipstick, and here it will return you all the country. Just now the trade data, it was a country specific. So every down or every inquiry, you will only limited to one country. But for the advanced search, you will be able to search for all the product globally who is actually importing the product. So this is one search is it will give you more information or more data set in return. Okay, I think that is about how our system can be used. And if you have any question, just feel free to let me know. Okay, then next step, I'm actually trying to demonstrate to you how to register the account. So very simple, go to our CIC homepage and then click for CIC Data Pro tab, and a point on this page, this one is showing you the detailed information about how to request and then how the system, and this is our price tag. This is our price tag for entry level that we are offering to, this is our 1,300 US dollar. But the difference between these two packages is that the professional, it doesn't have a full database of the buyers. So you will be only seeing a limited information about the buyer the buyer details if you choose to go with the professional plan. But if you go for the premium, you basically can access to everything. So you can either register an account with us by clicking on sign up, or you can come down to the page, leave your information, then we will come back to you to activate your account after you're paying for this account, and then you will be able to activate your account online. So last part is how to make the payment. We support two modes of payment. One is that once you contact our salesperson and then we give you the bank detail, you send over, and then once we process the payment, then we will be open. we will activate the account for you. Alternative, you can also pay us via the PayPal. So you send us a request if you're happy with our product, and then you decided to make an order, then our salesperson will contact you and send you the bank or PayPal details, and then you can wire the money for that. That is how within one day, you will activate your account. Any questions?